on that. Ready? Hold on. Oh. So today is going to be a bit of an experiment. Not too long ago, I was yet again at the Asian grocery store, and I happened to find this snack, which was it was like chocolate chip cookie mochi, which I had never seen before. Essentially, it was just a chocolate chip cookie, and then inside it was like a soft gooey mochi, you know, rice cake thingamabob. And of course it wasn't vegan, but I thought, wow, like how easy would it be to recreate this snack? So I think that's what we're gonna do, and then afterwards I'll try it with you all right back here. So we're gonna start with just like a general chocolate chip cookie dough recipe first. All right, so while the cookie dough kind of firms up in the refrigerator, we are going to be making our mochi. Mochi, if you guys don't know, it's kind of just like pounded rice. We'll be making it with rice flour and some water, and it's just like very, very soft and gooey. So we'll do that. You can either steam it or put it in the microwave, all right? So I'll show you guys that. All right, so just for consistency's sake, I'm just now going to divide up all of the cookie dough into exact portions so that all of the sizes will be about the same, and then I'll try to kind of do that with the mochi as well, but it's a little bit more difficult. Cookie scoop. So maybe half of that. So now time for assembly. This is gonna be very much like, I don't know, wrapping a dumpling. We'll just put the mochi in the middle and then round it out again, and then we'll see how that goes. It's actually difficult because the mochi squishes out quite easily. It's interesting. You have to get it quite small. At this point, I'm not sure. I think I'll stick it back into the refrigerator just for a little bit so that it can firm up a little bit, and then we'll just bake it in the oven, 350, I don't know, 10, 12, whatever, minutes. How amazing does that look? If you look at that one, you can actually see the mochi just peeking through. And yeah, and that's pretty much how they look. I already tried a couple of them. They're so good. Like the chewiness of the mochi, because the mochi is just so soft. It's like a little bit softer than normal mochi. It's just like so chewy. It's like putting something gummy, but like really gummy, inside of like chocolate chip cookies. It is so good. So yeah, I hope you guys all decide to try these. Super fun to make. Again, I had to do these cookies over again because the first batch I didn't refrigerate them and they were a little bit runny. So I actually put a little bit more flour in this. I'll put the recipe and everything all down below, but so good. Actually, both of them were really good. So I hope you guys decide to try it. All right, bye.